Okay, Norm, now we're going to do a video walk around, and basically we do that so when a car is brought in for service, or maybe we even picked it up and brought it in, we can pretty much verify the condition of the car when it arrived, so there's never a question as to maybe where a dent or scratch may have come from. Is that correct?
Yeah, let's get started.
So why don't you go ahead and do one for me then?
Okay, so we always recommend starting showing yourself so you can introduce yourself to the customer.
Okay, why don't you do
and
that?
Let's just get going. Hi, Mr. Owen. My name is Norm. I'll be taking a look at your vehicle today. We just got into the shop and I'm going to do a video walk around for you to show you the current condition.
Now you just flip the camera around.
Flip the camera back around.
Now
here we're showing them their license plates. They know for sure it's their vehicle.
Verifying it's their vehicle, okay.
Okay, now we'll take a lap around the car looking for any scratches or dents or any other item that might be of note. Since it's a little bit darker in here, I'm going to turn on the flashlight too so we can get a little bit better light. So I do just want to note for Greg here that there are a few little scuff marks on the rim, so I'm going to go ahead and take a photo of that one.
You took a still shot. Oh,
yeah,
I see.
I took 2 photos and we can sort through those later to see which one is better. As you can see, it'll keep a count of how many photos you've taken during the video.
And I noticed the light is on. That's great. And
that's right.
It's already built into the camera for you.
And notice we're still recording the entire time. It doesn't interrupt.
Even though you shot, it didn't stop the recording. Okay, good.
All right, let's continue the walk around here. Things looking good. I don't see any major scratches or dents.
Now, when you're all done with this, we can store this, right? Just in case it's needed in the future.
Absolutely. You can choose to send this to the customer or just keep it for your own internal records. Come down here and check out this rim a little bit. Looks a little better. Again, we got a few little minor scratches going on. Just want to make sure that they know this was the quality when it came in. Took another photo.
This would be great for rental car companies if you think about it. When they rent you a car and you go out with them and they do a little walk around and they actually have a video representation.
Sounds like a great idea.
It's a great idea, yeah. We always come up with new ideas here at TEXT2DRIVE.
Okay, so
we did the video walk around.
The car. We just had a few photos we want to send to them. We'll go ahead.
Now, my question is, are we necessarily going to send these to the customer or are we going to keep them? What do you think is the best practice?
It's totally up to your dealership. However, if you do see a scratch or a dent, you are going to want to let that customer know that was existing.
And another reason that's good is in case there's a dent person or a dent guy at the dealership, maybe the customer wants to get it fixed while it's at the store. So it actually helps you sell service by letting the customer know, here we found these scratches, we can take care of them right now, or these little dents.
Absolutely.
Okay.
So we'll go ahead and end this video.
Okay.
And then we'll get on to the actual inspection.
So to end it, you press that button?
Just the stop button.
Okay.
So now that the video is done, we can choose to review that video. You can watch the whole thing in full with sound. You can add extra notes if you want. Say this is our video walk around. And you can also give it some sort of specific label, like a scratch, a dent, damage, or other. In this case, we're just doing a general walk around.
Okay.
Now here, we're going to see the 3 different photos we took while taking that video. So first one up, yeah, we just want to take attention of the scratches there.
Yeah.
Going to go ahead and label it that.
This customer doesn't do a very good job at parking. He scratches his tires, wheels up.
I guess so. Yeah. We already have a good one of that shot, so I'm going to discard this photo. We don't need it.
Okay.
And here's that back tire. Again, we're going to label that a small scratch. All right, so now that we've gone through the review process, you'll see the media that we selected. You got the video and the 2 photos we decided to keep. And finally, you just click here, Add to Repair Order. So like any video you upload to YouTube or anywhere else, it does take a few seconds for that to process. But there you go, it only took about 5-10 seconds. Now that media has been saved to this repair order. So you click on the media section here. In a moment, you'll see those pictures in that video pop in. Your phone
brought right into the app from actually having shot them and videotaped them.
That's right. So,
and that takes what, a few seconds?
Just a few more seconds for your phone to process the image.
Yeah,
but we can start on the process of sharing here anyway.
Okay.
So again, you just click down in the bottom right on our Actions button.
Okay.
And you click on Share Media this time.
Now, what's share media used for? Oh, there they are.
Share media is used to send these images to your customer if you so choose.
Okay.
So all you have to do now that you clicked on share media is select the ones you want to use. In this case, we're going to do all three. You'll see the little green check mark appears on each. Then click down here on the share icon.
Now, give me 1 second here. So we're going to send these actually to the customer, is that correct?
That's right. They're going to end up right at the customer's phone in our nice new timeline feature.
Okay, hold on. Okay. Just hold on a second. Okay. Here we go. 1, 2, 3. I want to record what actually occurs on both sides of this. Okay. So. Okay, go ahead, Norm. I'm sorry.
Okay, go ahead and click share here. Again, it confirms the customer's phone number if this is the first time you're sending them some media for this repair order. Go ahead and click on share. And within just a few seconds, it's going to send those media items, and then it's going to bring me to a cell chat for that customer. So those items have been sent off. They're on their way to Greg's phone right now.
Yeah, I just received them.
He just received them
and it
already.
says this is click the link below. I'm going to click the link below, and then it takes me to a little landing page. Oh, how nice. It's got my repair order. I'm going to go down here, and there's everything. There's everything you sent me right there.
Right. So now if I continue to add media to that timeline, they'll keep popping up in that same screen you were just looking at.
Okay, I'm going to say, is this a problem? Problem. Oh. So the customer gets the message from you, and then they can respond to it and send you, there it is. Is this a problem? Okay.
So customer texted back, and right away we can let him know we noticed some small scratches on his wheel, and we'll ask him what he wants us to do about that here. Go ahead and hit send, and that message will go off to the customer's cell phone just like any other text.
There it is. I got it. Okay.